Zone Zero Loss of BBMA. This ZZL technique is a part of BBMA OA, which was developed by a trader from Malaysia, namely Mr. Omar Ali, are commonly known as Oma Ali. Oma Ali herself started developing this technique in 2008 with the help of friends. This technique itself focuses on finding high-quality re-entries, and can provide hundreds of % profits for traders who enter on time, and the market is trending strong. The criteria for Zone Zero Loss itself include: 1. A strong directional candle has been formed that breaks the mid-BB. 2. Mid-BB, MA5 and MA10 have crossed the MA50 line. Next, I want to discuss the buy and sell setups that we can use for entry on this ZZL BBMA system. 1. Setup buy. A. The setup we are looking for is a buy re-entry setup. B. Candlesticks should close above the MA5 and MA10 high, and not try to close below the MA5 and MA10 low. C. MA5 and MA10 low should be above the mid-BB. D. Mid-BB should be above the MA50 when the market is in an uptrend. 2. Sell setup. A. The setup we are looking for is a sell re-entry. B. Candlesticks must close below the MA5 and MA10 low, and break and close above the MA5 high and MA10 high. C. MA5 and MA10 should be below the mid-BB. D. Mid-BB should be below the EMA50 when the market is in a downtrend. Entry opportunities using this technique can come at any time. However, based on experience and backtest of past movement data, the best opportunities appear before the European market and London market open. So we should start looking for entry opportunities and detect the presence of a zero loss zone.